Hello, Scorpios. A very good evening to you guys. So this is a general reading till the end of April. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. Okay. So right now your partner's energy is the Hanged Man. I feel like your partner is just silent. So to be very honest, I think your partner is doing nothing at all. They are hanged and they are feeling like they should step back and analyze everything before telling you anything or before making any kind of commitment to you. So I feel like now your partner is viewing you in a very very different light, and they started to see you in a different perspective as they used to. So right now your partner is in this energy of taking a step back and analyzing everything and then making a move towards you, although they want to come in with a very fierce energy, very sexual energy, very uh, let's talk a lot, let's communicate, that type of energy. But right now they are in this state of analyzing everything, seeing everything in a different light, different perspective, with different perspective, and then they are planning to come to you. Okay, how they see you? They see you as somebody who is in fear of some kind of subconscious fear. So they see you as a person who is dealing with their own subconscious fears right now. Maybe they feel like you're hiding something from them. Maybe you're hiding your emotions towards them, Scorpio, and they can sense it. And they can sense the difference between you, the way you talk to them, maybe in the past and now. So right now they can see the difference, they can feel the difference in your nature, and they feel like there is some kind of fear going on in your life right now, and they can sense the change in your behavior towards them. Suddenly I feel like suddenly this person realizes that you are not that type of person that you used to be. Okay, or how they saw you in the past. Now they are like ready to see you in a different light, in a different perspective, and they are seeing you as somebody who hides a lot from them. Okay, to be very honest, what they feel in this relationship is Ace of Swords. They feel like this relationship has turned into something else, and there is a new beginning in this relationship. So I feel like there's lots of toxicity that went away, there's lots of conflict that went away. This is a brand new beginning from their side. They feel like this relationship is going through a major transformation right now, and they can sense it, and they can feel the change in the environment. They can feel the beginning from their side, that yes, this is a brand new beginning in this relationship. Let's take it step by step and not rush into anything. Although what they want is the Knight of Swords. They want to rush in and tell you that they love you, and they want a happily ever after or committed relationship with you. Although they want to come and in a very very fierce energy, and they want to rush into this relationship, but I feel like right now they are taking a step back and they are analyzing everything. They are seeing this relationship, and they are seeing you in a very very different perspective now. Okay, and the outcome from their side is the Two of Pentacles. They will be very confused by the end of April. Still they will be very very confused whether they should talk to you or not, whether they should offer you this commitment or this proposal that they want to tell you or not. So basically they will be in a very confused state of mind. Might be there was a huge conflict going on between you guys, and there is a new start from their side, there is a new beginning from their side. They see you as their victory. They feel like you are their trophy, or you are some kind of victory to them, you are some kind of prize to them. But they feel like right now this is not the right time to act on anything or to say anything to you, and they are going to be very confused. By the end of April they will still be juggling between yes or no, between whether they should talk to you or not, because they will be juggling, because Knight of Pentacles is here, Queen of Pentacles is here, Ten of Pentacles is here. This is like they want to offer you something very very stable. They want to offer you commitment. They want to offer you a happily ever after family kind of committed relationship, but they are juggling between yes or no, whether they should come towards you or whether they should talk to you about this particular thing or not. So they will be very very confused, and I don't feel like they are going to tell you or they are going to say you, or they are going to propose to you, Scorpio, till the end of April. But their mind is constantly thinking about you. They are constantly thinking about this relationship, what went wrong and what went right. And now they are ready for a brand new beginning. Although they are confused, they are taking a step back, but all they want is a brand new start with you, and to start with scratch. and give you a very fantastic relationship that you deserve. Okay, Scorpio, according to them. So Scorpio, tapping into your energy, your energy right now is the sun. You are trying to be happy, you are trying to act like a kid, you are trying to tap into your energy, and you are trying to feel close to nature, close to your friends, close to your family. All you are doing is healing, and you are eventually you are going to be happy. I feel like you are not happy right now, maybe Scorpio, but eventually you will grow into a kid who is very happy and who is like always supported by their family members, their friends, and beautiful energies around you, all around you, and you feel like, yes, I am the creator of my own destiny. I am a happy go lucky child, and I am the child of God. So whatever is happening, I'm not going to lose hope. I will be happy no matter what happens, and you will be happy eventually, Scorpio. Let me tell you this honestly, and you are going to be happy. So how you see your partner? The fool. Literally the fool. You feel like your partner is immature, or there's something missing from their side, or they are the risk taker but they don't take you seriously, or you feel like there are lots of faults in your partner that they have to deal with before they should come into a commitment, or before they should come into a relationship or anything. You feel like your partner is kind of immature. You feel like your partner is, although they are a risk taker, although they love you a lot, although there is lots of communication coming in from their side, but still you feel like your partner is not that much ready for this particular relationship to become a marriage. Okay, how you feel about this relationship? This is the 10 of wands. See, Scorpio, to be very honest, I feel like you are feeling burdened about this relationship. You are feeling like you are under so much stress, under so much pressure to be in this relationship, that you are losing hope. But the thing is, you are trying to control lots of things together. You are trying to control your emotions together. You are trying to control your financial issues. You are trying to control your health. You are trying to control your love life. You are trying to control lots of things together, Scorpio, and that is why you are feeling burdened in this relationship. But you are not giving up. Although you are feeling like this, you are not giving up on this relationship. Okay, so this is a love reading. So in general, you are feeling like you are burdened. You are somewhat in pressure, and no matter how hard it is, you are not losing hope, or you are not giving up on this relationship with this particular person. What you want to walk away. To be very honest, you just want to walk away from this person or this situation. You feel like this is hell lot of burden to be with this person, or hell lot of burden to be in this relationship. So that's why you want to walk away from this particular situation right now, or for the time being you just want to walk away, maybe from for the time being, not permanently, but right now you just want to walk away, because 8 of cups is something that makes you feel like walking away from a situation that is no longer serving you, and that is not good for your highest good. So that is why you are trying to walk away from this particular person or situation in your life. And the outcome from your side is the 5 of wands. I feel like this person is going to uh, communicate with you, and they want to make things right with you, but you are not in the mood. You are conflicted. Lots of inner conflict is going on, lots of fight is going on behind the scenes. You are seemingly happy, but you are not happy. Are you getting me, Scorpio? So basically you are going through a hell you are going through hell lot of conflicts in your life right now regarding this particular person. You are feeling like this person is very difficult to handle, or this relationship is not working out, or this relationship will not work out in the future. So you have lots of fears in your mind regarding this particular person. Okay, so the outcome is the 5 of wands, and it is clarified by the 7 of pentacles, 3 of cups, and three and the empress. So I feel like you're waiting for the right time. I feel like you also want a reconciliation, although this is a conflicting energy, although you are feeling like everything is going beyond everything is going against you, but you are waiting for the right time. You are just hoping that something will come in your future that will make this relationship work out, or this particular situation will improve as your money improves. You are hoping for a reconciliation with this particular person. You want to grow old with this person, to be honest. Okay, Scorpio, you want to give this person another chance, but right now you are not in this energy of giving them a chance. Okay, right now you are in a very conflicted state of mind. You are feeling burdened, and you are trying to walk away from the situation, but I feel like you are not going to walk away completely. Although you are walking away, but still you are not completely detached or completely separated from this person. Okay, Scorpio. And the mutual energy for both the parties for this relationship is The Six of Wands. Okay. So the Six of Wands is telling me that both of the parties involved in this relationship is seeing each other in a very good manner, in a very respected manner. You both respect each other. You both feel like you both are each other's victory, each other's success, each other's prize, or whatever you can call it. So basically, when you guys are together, you feel like you both are very happy. You both have a very very beautiful bonding, a strong connection, a solid connection. But right now the situation is like that they want to come into your life, they want to offer you something very solid, they want to have a brand new beginning with you. But right now you are trying to walk away from the situation, maybe because you feel like this person is not the right person for you. Okay. So I pulled the three cards from the Love Oracle deck, and the first card was it was for the recent past. So addiction. I feel like you guys were codependent on each other. Obsession, or might be has a block. So I feel like this was a codependent relationship, and you guys were not ready to leave each other in the past. The present is the girl talk. So time with friends, moving on, happily single, living in the moment, having fun. So right now your energy is this, Scorpio. Currently your energy is this, having fun and having fun with your friends and moving on, trying to move on from this particular person or situation. And in the long term future, in the near future, by the end of April, Cupid's arrow. So have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation or meeting. Maybe someone new is coming to your life, or you are going to feel passion or love towards the same person by the end of April. Okay. I feel like you want to give this person another chance deep down from your heart. And I feel like your emotions will change into something very very beautiful by the end of April, and you are going to receive a very good energy from that particular person, and I feel like you are going to give them another chance, for you to be very honest. And the overall energy, the guidance from universe is the palm tree, stability, security, growth. This is your guidance. Okay. So Scorpio, this is your love reading till the end of April. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed your reading. If it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you. And this is Anjali Tarot. Yeah.